Hi, I'm Andrew with 5 Star Doors. There's plenty of videos on the internet showing just how easy it is to repair or replace a garage door torsion spring. You have to keep in mind that garage door torsion springs are under tremendous tension, so serious injury or death could occur. This video is an example of just how fast something could go wrong.
Hey Dad, pizza's here!
Warning: high spring tension can cause severe injury or death. Do not attempt to remove, repair, or adjust tension or extension spring assemblies. Red-colored fasteners, or the hardware to which the red-coated fasteners are attached. Removal, adjustment, or repair must be made by a professional door repair person. If this was your hand or your head, you could be dead. Garage doors are heavy, large, moving objects. More accidents happen by someone repairing their own door than any other repair in a home. Garage door springs should not be replaced by the do-it-yourselfer. Quality comes from experience. Call the spring experts and call 5 Star Doors. And please like and subscribe to our video. Thank you.